What's up guys, welcome to this live cop series. This is episode 1, and in this video I'll be showing you guys the Yeezy 350 Cinder Reflectives and the Yeezy Alvah 700s. This drop was actually supposed to start at around 12 a.m. That's when the splash page went up, but checkouts didn't actually start coming in until about 2:40 a.m. After the first checkout, there was about a 10-minute gap between that first checkout and the second one, so I just sped up that part. For proxies, I was using the Cookie Proxies AIO New York ones, and I mixed in Plan 1, the Yeezy supply pool as well, and some Plan 2 United States region. So as you see here, it wasn't about till 2:50 a.m. when almost all my checkouts started coming in. I'm not sure what happened, but it actually just started pouring in. So like right here, 1, 2, 3. They just kept coming. I copped about 15 in between 2:50 and 3 a.m. So that was pretty nice. So around 2:57, my credit card was actually at its limit, so I was starting to get a few declines. I probably should have switched over to my other credit card, which has a higher limit, and I could have just used that as the one profile, since Yeezy Supply doesn't actually cancel multiples. So that was a mistake on my part, but still got 20 pairs, so it's not a big deal. Alright, so as the Cinder clip comes to an end, let me talk about the Alvahs really quick. I woke up at 9:30 to start my tasks when the splash page was supposed to go up, but it actually went up at 8:45, so I woke up late for that, so I couldn't run at the beginning. One of my friends did have my card, so he caught me 2 pairs manually, and I did manage to run splash forwards towards the end of it and managed to hit one size 5. And then my friend hit me the size 5, another size 5, and a size 6. So I got 3 pairs from Yeezy Supply, and then the other 2 pairs were from Frenzy, which I got with Project Frenzy, which is a request Frenzy bot that I recently got. It was my first time running it, and I actually hit 2 pairs right away, one on Billionaires Boys Club and Blends. Unfortunately, I only managed to record one of them, so I think this is the Billionaires Boys Club clip. So to recap, I hit 20 pairs of Cinder Reflectives and then 5 pairs of Alvahs. 2 of them were manualed from a friend, 1 was on Splash Force, and then the other 2 were on Frenzy. But yeah, I think I did really well on the Cinder Reflectives drop, but I definitely could have done better on the Alvahs if I prepared better and ran more sites in Shopify especially. But thank you guys for watching episode 1, and let me know how you did on these drops in the comments.